Hey guys, Dave here. Today we're going to be calling about a replacement for my First Alert P1210 fire alarm because this died 4 years into the 10-year warranty.
Thank you for calling First Alert Virus CDM. My name is Victor. Okay, how can I help you?
I just want to. I have a 10-year warranty on a First Alert P1210. It's one of those 10-year fire alarms, and it started chirping once per minute about a week ago, and it's only 4 years into the model. I installed it in 2019, right before Christmas, and it was manufactured on the December 9th, 2019.
Okay, and where is the location of this alarm in your house?
This alarm is in my laundry room.
Okay, there is no gas or electrical appliances nearby the detector?
I have an electric. I have electric appliance, but no gas. Yeah, and it's not. It's on the ceiling.
Okay, there's no renovations or paint in the last 2 months?
No, sir.
Okay, how often do you clean and test your device, sir?
Well, it's recommended that it's tested once per month, so that's what we've been doing. We've been checking it and cleaning it, but it's not by a ceiling fan or anything, and there's no vents that it's close to.
Okay.
It's extremely clean. It's been on the ceiling.
Okay, just keep doing that. Remember that we recommend to the customers to try to clean and test the devices once a month. Yes, because sometimes dust or dirty particles inside the sensor of the device, it's going to be providing false alarm or malfunction alarms, okay? That is going to be one of the best recommendations.
Okay, but if it's a false alarm, wouldn't it just chirp or beep and not do the once per minute chirp? I mean, it says for the once per minute chirp, that indicates the end of its 10-year life. Yeah, that's a low battery. And there's
okay, yes,
I can't.
Not a problem, sir. I
yeah.
understand. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Not a problem. We're going to send to you the replacement for the device.
Okay.
It's going to be P1210, right? That's the correct model number, right?
Yep, P1210. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Just I need to double check that it's going to be available right now in the stock to place the order successfully.
So it's got a 10-year warranty, and I've never had an issue with them on fulfilling the warranty. They're always very nice about it, and they immediately warranty these.
Thank you so much for your patience, sir. I double-checked David and I placed the order successfully, okay? Normally the process takes between 7 to 10 business days, and the carrier, it's going to be UPS.
Okay, that sounds great. I appreciate it. Thank you.
My pleasure. In the next 2 business days, maybe by the end of the day or for tomorrow, you're going to read 2 emails, okay? The first one is going to be the confirmation with the order number and the case number, and the second email is going to be a one-time little survey. I really appreciate it if you can answer that, please.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your help. I appreciate it.
My pleasure, sir. Thank you for calling First Alert. Thank you the rest of the day, and take care. Bye-bye.
Yep, you have a great day. Take care. Bye. So I started the call right around 2 o'clock, and I finished it up around 2:08. I had to sit on hold for about 4 minutes while he checked to make sure that the P1210 was in stock. That's it. There was no wait to actually get into the support service of First Alert. So they're really good at quickly talking to you, and then sometimes it may take a few minutes for them to look up the specific model or whatever you have, but they've got really good service. Thumbs up for First Alert warranty and their support. Thumbs down for this individual product. There's probably another product that First Alert makes that I would be a lot more happy recommending. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.